How to unblock someone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you simply have to tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, just tap on privacy. And now here under the privacy, you simply have to scroll down and tap on contacts. And now here under the contacts, you can see the option labeled as blocked contacts. So simply tap on it. And here you will see the list of people that you have blocked. So there you can just tap on the contact that you want to unblock. And here on the pop-up menu, you can just tap on the unblock option. And that's it. Now you have successfully unblocked someone on WhatsApp and now they can message or call you again. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.